Meaning of graphic novel.
Graphic novel.
Graphic novel.
Graphic novel.
Graphic novel. A graphic novel is a type of comic book that tells a story using sequential art, which combines images and text. Unlike traditional comics, graphic novels typically have longer and more complex narratives, often dealing with mature themes and characters. They are often published as standalone books rather than being serialized in magazines. Graphic novels can be fiction or non-fiction, and are popular in many genres including superheroes, science fiction, and memoirs. They are a unique form of storytelling that allows for both visual art and written narrative to work together to create a powerful and engaging experience for the reader.